In this video, we're going over the top 5 problems on this first generation Chevy Colorado. Number 1, valve seats. You may notice that you have a check engine light on and your vehicle runs rough. The check engine light may even be flashing. This could be caused by the valve seats giving you a misfire. The valve seats are in the cylinder head, and when the valves open and close, there's not a good seal there. In that case, you're going to have to replace the cylinder head. Number 2, the blower motor resistor. Now, the blower motor resistor is located where most of them are, underneath the glove box, and it controls the speed of your blower motor. You may notice when you turn your heat or air conditioning on that it doesn't work on all speeds, or if it doesn't work on any speeds. Could be your blower motor resistor. If the problem happens to be the blower motor resistor, it's always a good idea to check out the blower motor as well. It could be drawing too much current through the resistor, causing the resistor to fail prematurely. Number 3, the EVAP vent valve. It's located underneath the vehicle, right above the spare tire in the back. And the symptom you're going to have with that is going to be a check engine light. You probably won't have any drivability issues with an EVAP code. The EVAP system is an airtight system, so if that vent valve itself gets debris in it, whether it's dust or dirt, it's going to cause the valve not to close properly, and that's what's going to give you the code. On top of the vent valve being bad, sometimes you want to double check your gas cap. That can cause a EVAP code, and a lot of times it could just be that. If the ratchet's a little weak, like this one, it's not good, it should be replaced. Also check the seal around the gas cap and just make sure there's not excessive corrosion on the filler neck. Number 4, the fuel level sensor. You may notice when you get low on gas, where you're at about 1/4 of a tank or even 1/8 of a tank, sometimes you might just run out of gas, and that has to do with the fuel level sensor inside the tank. Unfortunately, the only way to fix this is to replace the fuel sensor in the tank. You need to remove the fuel tank, replace the sensor, and put it back up. Number 5, the windshield washer pump. You may notice when you go to use your washer fluid, it's not working properly, and most likely it's because of the pump. The pump is located at the back side of the windshield washer reservoir down here. Some things to check before you go ahead and replace the pump. Make sure you have washer fluid, number 1, but also your hoses and lines that go to the washer nozzles themselves. And sometimes the washer nozzles plug up, so check those out. So there's our top 5 problems for this Chevy Colorado. Overall, these vehicles are great trucks. If you enjoyed this video or it helped you out, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.